Aray na! Sige, dalawa! Bagad! Depensa kayo ha. Set mo muna eh. Kabila, yan. Next one. Lalim. Tingin sila lang. Sa gitna. Yan. One.
Two balls. 4, 6, 4. By number 24.
Ayun na. Lipat. Harap.
Number 1, 2 points, no good.
Sige, dala yun.
Testing the ball, dribbling the ball, moving for teammates. 2 points. Four, 9, 7.
Okay, shot mo muna.
Ano ba pa? Double A.
Andrew, dito Andrew. Alam mo na pogi ka. Suma pa dyan. Paano mo sumo? Andrew!
The ball for 3. No good. Out of bounds.
Gilid.
4. Get a pass. 2 points.
Ulit. Nice one. Nice one.
2 points again. Score 13-7 in favor of Sampo.
Di ba?
16 to shoot. 36.
Pare, agad. Woo!
Big boy dribbling the ball. 2 points. With the pass. 2 points. Ready for 3.
Bawi. Okay lang yan. Okay. Pag-open ka, tira. Pagkalabawa lang.
Yardi, gagaling na mo.
Sakit na. Nice. Tira. Nice one. Puta, may expect ka mga alam ka.
At 16-9 in favor of Sampo.
Depensa kayo.
6 to shoot. 1 pass. 2 points. Ready. Foul rebound. Number 1 dribbling the ball. Number 1, 2 points.
Wala, 5 minutes. Ha?
Pag nag-foul ko, mo, start mo.
Alis.
Pag ako na ulit.
Team layup 2 points. 17-11. Number 1. 15 to shoot. And to shoot. Number 1 for 3. Foul. 3 points. Foul. Number 24. First personal foul. First team foul. First one is good. Second throw is good. So ball. Third one is good. So ball to number 1. Number 24, Logan pass. Pass at the left. Number 22, 15 to shoot. 2 balls, no good. Number 6 for the rebound. Naaga. Number 1 will be the ball. Number 1, pass to number 2. 2 points is good. Talaga po ang lamang, 17-16. For 3. No good. Team to shoot. Ang pasa, pass break, number 2. 8. 2 points. More, 19-16. The one team move. Oh, Kobe. Kobe. Number 1 with the steal. The one with the steal. Foul. Number 30. First personal foul, second team foul. First one, no good. First one, no good. Rebound. Number 24. Pamadali. Pass na number 2. 2 points. Score, 21-16. In favor of Transport. Number 6, number 24.
Hi.
No good. Number 2, pasang 24, pasang ulit kay number 2. 2 points. Ang ganda naman mo. 50 seconds. And to shoot. 2 points. No good. Rebound by number 30. Ang laki. Ito, pass break ulit. Number 24 for 3. Bang! At 2 points. 2 points na po. Nakatapak. 18 seconds. And seconds to shoot. Number 1 with a drive. 2 points.
1 second.
No good.
Nice one.
Number 6, 2 points. 12 na po ang lamang. 13-18. Number 1 dribbling the ball, crossover. Now 1. Pass break by number 24. Ang release. 2 points. Big boy dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball. 2 points. No good. Number 24 dribbling the ball.
Tawag yung pata ko.
Nasa huli.
Wala.
Number 23. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pasa kay Big Boy. Big Boy. Pasa kay number 14. 2 points. No good. Pinato.
Shoot. Ay!
Oy, namintin.
Sayang.
Number 1. Pasa kay Big Boy. Oy, pinasa sa kapatid.
Wala.
2 points is good. Score 32-20. At daw muna, sabi ng number 24. 15 to shoot.
Shoot na.
Iyoyo, pinasa,
Ay.
out of bounds. Nasa kay Big Boy. Big Boy looking to shoot. 2 points. Very good. Rebound in number 6. Number 6 dribbling the ball. Kanang rebound sa patitira.
Ay!
So good. Number 14. Number 14. Pinasa kay number 23.
Bola.
Number 4. Number 4. All the way. Foul.
Nice.
Kasama bang pa?
Nice one.
First personal foul. Second team foul. It's no good. Rebound in number 10. Last rebound. 2 points. Naging 4-point play pa yun. Score 36-20. 16 lang naman. Big boy. Big boy. Pasa ka number 23. Number 23. Nagalit na kakape. 15 to shoot. 2 points. So good. Out of bounds. Same possession. 14 to shoot.
Yan lang aning araw. Wala nga niya.
Sorry, number 1. Number 1. Oy! 2 points. What a shot. Steal by number 14. Napong si number 14. Naghanap ng katape. Number 23. Save ang bola. Aga. Ay number 24. 2 points.
Boss, may
Big boy nagtanong ng bola. Big boy naghanap sa tapos Big boy pinasa. And foul. Ay number 24. Second personal foul. First team foul. 40 to shoot. Ready for take 5. Number 23. Pinasa kay 14. 2 points. Is good. Take 5. 4 nagdala ng bola.
Ako tayo oras ha.
15.
17 lang natin dyan, 17. Balik.
Number 30. 30. May
Yeah.
10 to shoot. Tumira ng 3 points. No good. Number 14. Power rebound.
Baba.
One nagdala ng bola. Pinasa pass break. 2 points. Nice pass by number 1. Number 24.
Relax muna.
Pinasa kay number 2.
Nice
Pinasa
one.
kay number 24. Pinasa kay number 30. Number 30. Spin move. Number 2. 10 to shoot. A block. 5 to shoot. Number 2.
Baliktad oh.
4.
Kita, Oliver!
23. Pwede na na ball. Nasa ko. Nasa kay 14. Let to shoot. Number 23. Pwede na bola. Pinasa sa kape. Oh! Sayang. 5 to shoot. 1-0. Hindi tumama.
Board lang.
15 to shoot. Score 41-26.
Yan, 10 seconds.
And the shoot. Pinasa kay number 2. Pinasa ulit kay number 3. Floater is good.
Meron lang oh. Akyat lang kayo.
Number 1, nagdala ng bola. Nagdala ng bola. Remind all the way to 42. Number 24. And ang naman po siya, nagpapasok na ba all the way. Same ball. Natapik ang bola. 13 to
Ay, Yuli.
Ulit, nakuha ang bola. All the way.
Ay.
No good. Number 2. Out of bounds. Time out. Well, tingnan ang ball. Hindi na play. Oscar. Ata. 2 points. Ibang number 20. Now, set. Attack number 24. 15 to shoot. Number 6. Power move.
Ay,
No good. Number 2. Dito na naman kay number 2. Number 2. Pinasa ka number 30. Number 30. Layup. No good. Number 10. Sabi na naman po na rebound by foul. Foul number 20. Second personal foul. First team foul. First one no good. Second throw is good. Score 46-32. Still in favor of Star Boys. Number 1 setting the play. Number 1 all the way. No good. Nagaw, number 10. Pass break kay number 24. Nandun na agad. 2 points.
Ganun lang eh, ganun lang.
Substitution. Pasok. Labas ang lalabas. Number 24. Number 24. Second play. Number 2. Number 2 drive. Jump shot. Foul. Two shot. Number 69. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 2 personal. 6-2. Let it go. It's good. Good goal. Score 50-32. Medyo malayo na po ang pass score. One. Okay, number 69 na drive. Yung nasa 2 points. Dito po
Wala po sa
play. Number 24, looking for teammate number 2, Sumobra. Number
Ay.
1, winning the ball. Bigyan mo mga pass break.
wala.
Pinasa kay number 69.
Ay!
Na
Good.
okay pa.
Haha.
Number 24,
Good.
pinasa sa likod.
Ay!
Sabi ko dito,
Ano ba yun?
Number 69. Number 16 na.
Wala.
Way, so good.
Ano ba?
Poster, pinasa
Shoot!
30, easy 2 for. Score 52-34. Still in favor of task force. Ready for time. Abang ni number 6. Binato na naman kay 24. Nandun na naman.
Nice one.
24. Timeout.
Sana.
15 to shoot. Number 1 pinasa kay Boswell. Boswell, nag-guard na kampe. Pinasa kay number 69. Those two.
Sapa.
Yan na naman po si number 24. Aliyu.
Nice!
22 na po. Ang kalamangan ng task force. Boswell.
Oh.
Boswell going the ball. 15 to shoot. Boswell, nag-guard na kampe.
Ayun.
Number 69.
Wala!
Wala pa rin. Si number 69. Number 24. Papasok all the way.
Shoot!
So good. Number one, spin moves all the way to goal. No good, wala pa rin.
Muna!
Number 10, all the way.
Muna! Ay!
Tingnan po sa sinatali dito ah.
Wala!
Number 8, to goal. It's good. Number. Number 24, stop. Number 24, shooting the play again. Number 24, that out of speed. Number 24, spin out on number 30.
Shoot!
Everything jump shot, thanks to shoot. Number 6, 5 to shoot. Number 6, all the way. No good. Number 1.
Wala.
3 points back. Buwaba na po ang kalamangan. 16 point lead na lang. 24. Setting up the play. 15 to shoot. Number 24. Pinasaka number 6. Pinasaka number 2. 3 points.
Mo! Ay!
No good. Kahan ka nga kape. Number 1. Number 1, 3 points again. Back to back kaban. 3 points. By number 1. Back to back. Every 4 time. Number 24. Between the ball. Crossover. Behind the back. Step back. Number 24.
Nice!
3 points. Grabe naman yun. Palitan ng 3 points. Nag-iinit na po ang ating mga players. Number 1, pinasakay doon. 15 to shoot. Boswell, nag-rank ng mga players. Boswell, pinasakay.
Wala!
Haba, wala. Number 24. Ball, nalaman po. Lumasas din yung number 6. Number 17, pinasakay ni number...
Ay! Ang lakas!
Taas na.
Tignan yung bola. Ayan naman po. Pilay na 3 points.
Wala.
On the way.
Nice.
Foul. Number 6. Two shots. Number 6, first personal foul.
Wala.
First team foul.
Shoot.
First throw is good. Second throw. Oh, good. Rebound. Number 24. Ayun na naman po.
Shoot na!
Behind that back.
Ah! Shoot!
Pinasa kay number 30.
Nice.
Number 14. First personal foul. 13 foul.
Nice.
First throw, no good.
Pabingi!
Salang.
Shoot na!
No good.
Ay!
Rebound.
Ano ba yan?
Number 1, umaatake. Nagano mga kape.
Why?
Out of bounds. Tapik ng task.
Haha!
In to shoot. Iyan sa libre. Number 30. Pinasa ka number 30.
Ay! Shoot!
2 points.
Nice.
Number 69, nadala na ball. Number 69, atake, may foul. Number 17. First personal foul, second team foul. Number 1, nagalit na kakampi. Number 1, ang gagawin. Pinasa sa kakampi, 3 points, is good! Score, 61-47. Still in favor of Thompson. Number 6, nagdadala ng bola. Set lang daw po. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 24, dadaanan naman po sa screen. Anong gagawin? 24, set back.
Short.
Short. Rebound, 2
Nice.
Ayun na oh.
Power rebound. Underlanding the ball. Atake, pinasa kay number... Pinasa. Hindi mo itapang 2 points. 1. Rebound na ulit. 2 points is good. Number 24, pinasa kay number...
Shoot
Number
lang.
30, atake.
Shoot, shoot.
Wala. Sa kanya.
Shoot! Ay!
Number 1 ang mamamanuway. Anong gagawin ni number 1? Pili. May mo itapang 2 points. No good.
Tapusin mo na.
Ay! Ha!
One big boy. Big boy. Atake si Big Boy.
Wala!
2 points.
Tangkad mo ah.
Tapusin niya.
Mababa na po ang kalaman. Tapusin na lang ho. Number 4, biging the ball. Number 4, biging the ball. Atake. O all the way.
Shoot! Shoot! Shoot!
2 points.
Ay!
No goal
Ba
pa
yun?
naman sa...
Sige na, tapusin mo na.
Second personal foul. Substitution.
Tapusin mo na.
Number 4, force throw.
Okay, mamaya na. Tapusin na lang.
That's 1 minute and 10 seconds. Second throw.
Baba na, baba na.
Kita pang
Okay,
pinaka-big
tapusin nyo na. Konti na lang ito.
boy bring down the ball. Big boy. Big boy atake. Big boy all the way na ba? Nawala ang bola. Force ang mga madali. Ayan naman si number 24. Number 24. Ayan, wala. Kuha na number 1. Bosmel. Bosmel, anong gagawin?
Wala!
Ganap ng kakapit. Pinasa kay number 1. 2 points. No good. Aim ball. 14 to shoot. Bosmel. 2 points. Oh good. Number 30. Pinasa na
Shoot,
naman
shoot,
kay number 24. Galing na naman siya. Libre. 2 points.
Ano pa kayo dyan sa takas?
Number 59.
Wala.
15 to shoot. Wait lang.
Wala.
Pasang Big Boy. Nalibig sa gitna. 2 points. No good. Sumobra. Pero napalo up. 2 points. And number 59. 9 seconds. 8, 7. Number 30. 5
Ay,
seconds.
foul!
Foul. Wala pa sa penalty. Sign out.
Okay, go
4
ahead.
seconds to shoot. Score 67-53.
4 seconds na lang yan ha.
Alley-oop.
Nice!
Baba.
1.
Wala na!
Screen lang ha, screen.
Number 24, dadalo ng bola. Gagawin number 24, crossover behind the back.
Ay!
Big Boy! Tabasa ng Big Boy yun. Big Boy nagano ng mga
Lalim mo.
Boy, pasa kay Bosmel. Bosmel, 2 points, no good. Rebound ni number 69,
Wala.
power rebound, sayang. Number 4, with the rebound, na-steal din Boy. Tapang, Bosmel, pinasa kay 69, Yoyo, 2 points. Score, 69-55.
Okay, relax lang. Lamang tayo.
Number 10 bringing the ball, tinatao na po si number 24. 15 to shoot. Number 4, pinasa kay number 10, 2 points. So,
Wala, wala.
rebound the ball. Bosmel bringing down the ball.
Dali ba?
Hanap ng kakampi.
Wala.
Ngayon ulit. Setting up the play.
Wala.
Kay number 69, pinasa kay
Wala.
2 points. No good. Rebound. Bato na naman kay number 24. Ayan na
Shoot,
naman
shoot.
siya.
Shoot.
Pass break kay
Ay!
no good.
Hala.
Number 69. 69, pinasa kay Bosmel. Bosmel, number 69.
Wala.
2 points, no good. Foul.
Yun.
Number 2. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for number 69. First row, no good.
Ay, ako nainip eh.
Second row. Second row. No good, pero na-rebound niya. 2 points. It's good. Ayaw niya pala sa free throw. Gusto niya ng 2 points sa gitna. Number 24. Inauna ni number 69. Number 24. Ano kayong gagawin? Number 24. Nag-aantay. 15 to shoot. Number 24. Aatake ni Yoyo.
Nice!
Highlights na naman. Ito pa. Ready for sub. Ito pa. Dada ng bola. Bosmel. Dada ng bola. 15 to shoot. Bosmel aatake. Pinasa.
Ay!
Boy, tapang ko nakuha bola. 2 points.
Wala.
Is good. Score, 71-59. 12-point lead. Number 24. Foul by Biko. Substitution. Pasok si number 1.
Ay, mag kami ah. Magana.
Alam mo?
Time mo tayo.
Okay, personal to foul. First team foul. 15 to shoot.
Shoot.
Pinasa kay number 10.
Na.
Pumat si number 4.
Ay.
Foul. I'm out. First row, no good. Second shot, no good. Na-rebound ni Bultapa. Bultapa.
Wala.
Pasakay number 1. Number 1, bringing down the ball. Number 1, crossover. Number 1, nice pass. Kay
Wala,
number
wala,
69, 2 points is good. 10 na lang po, lamang. Naho, nararamdaman na ni number 69. Tatauhin niya na sa number 24. Crossover. 15 to shoot. Yan na po. So, number 24, atake na naman. Step back, 2 points.
Nice!
Shoot. Grabe naman yun. Number 1 bringing down the ball. Number 1. Boy. 15 to shoot. Number 1. Big boy. Big boy naghahanap ng
Wala.
lumuwa. Pero may foul.
Bola.
14 to shoot. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Number 1.
Wala.
2 points. Wala. Number 4. Babato na naman kay number 24. Yan na naman siya.
Na!
2 points.
Nice!
Android.
Big boy. Big boy.
Wala.
Aatake. 2 points. Ay, number 2.
Relax
Pinasa kay number 4. Number 4, 15 to shoot. Ayun na naman. Yung number 24. Ayun na naman kaya gagawin ni number 24. 24, pinabasa ang depensa. Pinasa kay number 4. 10 to shoot.
Balik.
5 to shoot. Number 24, anong gagawin? Tumira ng 3 points.
Ay.
Wala. Number 69, pinasa ka. Number 69, gagawin ng bola. Number 1, hanap ng butas. Remove.
Wala.
2 points. No good. Number 1, rebound.
Wala!
Number 1, foul. Si number 3. Penalty na po ang task force. 2 shots. Ready for sub. First row, no good. Ready for substitution. Second throw is good. Ready for sub rep. Number 4, number 4. Number 4 atake, number 4 atake all the way ba? Pinasa number 2, number 10.
Shoot! Shoot!
Foul.
Ay!
2 shots down.
Sub rep. First draw.
Okay na sa'yo, ha?
Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Second draw. No good, nakakuha. Number 1. Number 1. Anong gagawin na ito? Number 1. Dribbling the ball. Number 1. Number 1. Umatake. Using the glass. No good. Nakakuha. Same ball. Number 1. Pass to number. Ano number? Number 10. Easy to call. Number 20 pala. Same ball. Number 24. Pass to number 30, Mendoza. Anong gagawin na ito? Mendoza, 15 to shoot. Pass to number 0 to pick.
Shoot!
Choose foul rep.
Nice one, ha? Ganun lang, oh. Ganun lang, oh.
Penalty. Number 1, second personal foul. Second draw. Is good. Number 18, pass to number 1. Number 1. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number. Ano number na ito? Number 20. Number 20, 10 to shoot. Sinira ng 3. No good na ako. Number 30, Mendoza, pass to. Number 01.
Shoot!
Using the glass, easy to fall with number 02. Takbong mayaman. Number 20. 69 pala. Number 69. Dribbling the ball, pass to number 14. Shot, no good na ako ah. Number 23. Pumukol ng 3. No good na ako ni number 10. Pass to number 24. Napakabilis mo using the glass, easy 2 points by number 24. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Anong gagawin nito? Number 1? Number 1.
Wala!
Recover,
Wala!
pass to love using the glass. Get the basket at make a some foul. Who's ball rep? Number 20. Bonus throw. Ready for a sub rep. It's good. Sub rep. Number 4. Number 4 sumlak sa ako. Nagtakay using the glass.
Ay!
Nakakuha ni number 20. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Anong gagawin na ito?
Wala.
Using the glass is 2 points by number 1. Number 70. And 81-69 in favor of Task Force. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Dinatatawa-tawa na si number 24. Number 4, anong gagawin na ito? Number 4. Number 4, inatake using the glass.
Ay, ano?
Number 02.
Pasa na.
Umaldag. Useful rep.
Hindi kasi pinapasa. May nasa harap na.
Useful rep. Number 20. Two shot para kay number 02.
Technical. Nice.
Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for technical, number 20. Number... Warning for penalty. Shot clock, 14 to shoot. Number 17. Number 17, taking the ball. 10 to shoot. Number 17. 5 to shoot. Pass to number 02.
Shoot!
Pass to number 4. Using the glass.
Ay!
Nakuha number 17.
Naku.
Nakuha ulit yung number 10 to
Ano
shoot.
naman?
7 to shoot. Penalty na po, both teams. 0 to. 5 to shoot. Number 0 to pass to. Number 17.
Na, ano ba?
Traveling violation. Score natin, 81-69. Favor of Task Force. Last 2 minutes. Number 1. Pass to number 4.
Pasa!
Pass to number 02. Number 02.
Nice.
Easy, 2 points by number 02.
Wala. Wala. Huli. Wala.
Nakuha nila number 4. Pass to number 17. Number 17.
Ay!
Pass na good. Nakuha na number 1. Pass to number 20. Number 20 na gagawin ito. Pass to number
Wala.
69. On the attack using the glass. Easy, 2 points by number 69. 83-71 in favor of Task Force. Goes for red.
First throw is good. Second throw, no good. Rebound in number 4, power rebound. Foul. Number 1. Third personal foul. Number 4, first throw, no good. Boy tapang. Big boy nagamit ng kape.
Wala.
No good.
Ay!
Rebound, din number 24. Last 1 minute. Number 24, dadal ng bola. 10 to shoot. Number 24,
Nice.
Pinaw with number 69. Penalty. Number 24, first throw is good.
Isa pa.
Second throw is good. 50 seconds. Big boy, all the way, 2 points. Number 24. 13-point lead. Number 24. Number 24, pinaka number 4. 35 seconds na lang po. And seconds to shoot. Ino-double team na. Ino-double team na sa number 5 seconds to shoot.
Tira, tira, tira!
17.
Tira!
Shot clock violation.
Okay na yun, okay na yun.
Number 69. Number 69. 3 points. Still no good. Rebound ni number 4.